Are you ready to unlock the true potential of your Ubuntu system? The terminal might seem intimidating at first, but it's one of the most powerful tools at your fingertips. In this video, we're diving deep into the 10 most essential Linux commands every Ubuntu beginner should know. We'll start with the basics, like pwd to print your current working directory and ls to list files and folders. You'll learn how to navigate between directories using cd, create new folders with mkdir, and even remove them using rm and rmdir, all directly from the terminal. We'll also show you how to view and manage system processes with commands like top, check your disk usage with df-h, and manage files efficiently using cpmv and nano. Want to install software via command line? No problem. You'll learn how to use sudo apt update and sudo apt install to get the latest packages. And if you ever feel lost, the man command will bring up manuals for almost any tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in using the terminal for everyday tasks, speeding up your workflow, and feeling more in control of your system. This is your first step into mastering Linux. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials, and check the full blog post in the description for a command-by-command breakdown.